Asalam O Alaikum users, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The English Student. Today we are going to start an essay which is television, its advantage and disadvantage. So let's start. Television is one of the most important miracles of science. Indeed, mankind should be grateful to its inventor J.L. Baird. One can now watch moving, talking and living pictures on the screen while sitting in one's home. Thus, while sitting in our homes, we can watch all kinds of programs which are televised. Many educative and informative programs can also be shown on the television, which are of great help to the students and masses. Television is especially very valuable for an underdeveloping country like Pakistan, where a great majority of the people are illiterate and live in the villages. The people can be imparted much information and education through the television programs. Television can also help in removing the social and political evils from the society. It can highlight the evils of casteism, dowry, drinking, gambling, etc., and help in their removal. Similarly, the government programs like family planning, afforestation, adult education, and cleanliness of the cities can also be propagated through the media of television very successfully. Of course, with its advantage, the television also has certain disadvantages. If a person spends too much time in watching television every day, he will become lazy and short work. He would like to sit idle and waste his time. If one sees pictures from a close distance on the television set, it affects the eyesight. It is thus very risky for the small children who always sit very close to the television set. The students also get the bad habit of seeing films on the television. During the television time, the students do not pay any attention to their studies, which will affect their education career. The use of television set also increases the electricity bill greatly. In spite of all these disadvantages, the advantages are definitely more and the disadvantages are outweighed. In the field of education and entertainment, its vast importance cannot be denied. So viewers, this was the essay which is based on television. For more videos and for more updates, do like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and thanks a lot.